I think, a key thing there is the customers saw kind of a pain point in their workflows, right? As you said, it's not that they didn't want lawyer expertise. It's that, fundamentally it just didn't make sense from a cost perspective always. And so if they could leverage systems to do that, they were happy to do that. But as you've pointed out, that might not have worked for the law firms, right? And the incentives didn't totally match. Now you've kind of built this vertically integrated system where it's actually a perfect flywheel, right? The better you get at it, the more profit you can pull out of it. The more profit you put out of it, the more you can put back into the system, the better it gets. And all of that feeds into the client just getting great outcomes. And they're happy to use you because they're getting great outcomes. And I think that's really important. And so I wanted to make sure I pulled that part out of it because as people think about where these systems can fit, I think sometimes they get lost in the build shiny things or AI does everything instead of, no, like what problem are we trying to solve? What's the job to get done that we're trying to do? And then where can AI and software and people fit into that? Again, whether it replaces everybody and we have Terminator droids everywhere, I don't know. But I think at this moment in time, there are real opportunities to solve problems, and they don't even have to be kind of full stack solutions, right? They can just simply be, as like I said, like I just saw a problem. I wonder if I can build this myself. Sure, I can. Great. And it solves that problem right then. And so I think it's a really important thing for people to remember as they're thinking through this.